The first thing we are going to make sure is that the chips are receiving energy from the power supply. Then we measure the first and the last domain through the total voltage that the hashboard receives. So we got 48 ASIC. So let's take a look at 48 ASIC and let's measure the test point signal. BO signal, that is a 0 voltage, so that's okay. So let's go to the RST. So let's run the test. Okay, run the test. (1.8). CO signal and clock signal 0.9. Why we didn't measure the RI signal? Because we read how many ASIC we have, so we don't have to bother measure the RI signal because we know the RI signal is complete. So let's take a look at the frequency of the clock. So it's fine. So let's go to the next chips and measure the test point signal. BO 0 voltage. RST 1.8. CO 1.8. and clock. So both are correct, both have correct signals. So let's take a look, take off the heatsink and see what is going on. So let's take off both heatsink and see what is going on between them. Look what I found. Some pads of the chip are attached. So let's take a look more close. Yeah, as you can see, we got it's really dusty chip actually. So I'm going to try clean up with the iron soldering and see if we can save the chip. Okay, so okay, and then I'm going to take off the 49 heatsink chip because I need to work better, so I have to get more space. So let's see, I just cleaned all the chips in this side. As you can see, everything is cool. I just remove all the solder paste, and if you can see the other side, oh, there is a small spheres there, so we have to clean up all the chips. Okay, so I just cleaned the chip, but I found a lot of small sphere soldering around the chips, around these circuits. So I clean it very well and I see if everything is going to work right now. So let's run the test. Don't worry about the buffer, we wanna fix that problem after. Oh, 51. So we passed the 48 and 49. Let's go to the 51 and 52 chips and see what is going on. So let's measure it. 51 chip signals. Let's measure the first is gonna be clock signal. Let's run the test. 0.8 is good. CO is good. Let's test our ST signal. Yeah, it's good too. Our ST signal is good. And BO signal is good. So let's go to the 52 chip. Clock signal is good. CO signal is good. RST signal is good. So let's take off 51 and 52. I feels like the problem is still the same thing like we found in 48. Some sphere, a small sphere is around there. Let's see what is going on. Let's take a look. Yeah, pad attached. So using the needle of my test multimeter, take out all the pad that is between them. Let's clean up the chip. So everything is beautiful. So let's run the test and see if we did it. So with the buffer problem, we're gonna fix it just mining. We have to put mining this hashboard and see which chips is the problem, okay? And then we fix this hashboard. We are done.